little bit of my background. I get my Bachelor of Science in Physics, and then I did my PhD in Material Science and Engineering. So when I look for faculty positions, I was so lucky to find a cluster hire from School of Natural Science and Mathematics, that we are looking for people who utilize fundamental understanding of science to answer biological questions. I feel like this is such a nice overall goal in my career, that I was trained as a physicist. I always try to understand the fundamental concepts behind phenomena and utilize knowledge from physics to address the challenges. And our program, biomedical science program, so we emphasize the interdisciplinary nature of biomedical science and want people with degree in physics, chemistry, and mathematics to work together so that we can address challenges that are limiting our biomedical science understandings. So I named my lab Dynamic Bioimaging Lab. So through my whole career, my focus of research is on, I believe that seeing is believing. So one thing that I personally, what kind of drives me to go through all this kind of research question is how to understand the dynamic processes in terms of biology, materials, or physics. And the best way to understand this is, can we look at this process just using our camera or using our eyes? This is something that definitely going beyond my wildest dream. When I was, I know that this paper is potentially being very useful and very popular. I believe it has a big impact. That's why we published it on Science. But I never thought that such a scientific paper will attract so many attention from the public. Yeah, a lot of friends, like at the beginning, I track all the friends who are sending me messages on LinkedIn, Twitter, X. So there are tens of messages asking me details about this. And then one day I log on to Instagram, and then I saw a post with thousands of comments. I said, okay, this is beyond my capability. I cannot answer all of them now. I think that's really feels like how our research, something that is driven by the fundamental science, could potentially attract the broad interest from the public. And what is even more fulfilling or rewarding for myself is that I got a lot of email from internationally, from Germany, from India. There are high school students who want to write a term paper about my discovery, who want to reproduce my experiments. And I think that's the most fulfilling moment, that we are seeing how my research can stir the interest of younger generations' interest towards biological science.